Hi everyone, I'm Lucas Avelino Mauro, but you can call me by just Avelino, like my best friends do. I'm 23 years old and my birthday is on January 4th. I was born in Araras, São Paulo, in 1994. I'm almost finishing my graduation in automation engineering and I'm working in automation industry, but not yet like an engineer. I live with my mother, her name is Rita. We live in Araras, more specifically on Clóvis Bevilacqua Street, number 341, in the Jardim Belvedere district. I have one sister, her name is Amanda. She always comes to my home with my two nieces, Julia and Melissa, and we have a lot of fun together. My father lives in Leme, and I visit him anytime is possible. I also have a girlfriend, her name is Bruna. She is beautiful, and she is a food engineer, and together we can do everything. I worked in Casa Day 3 years ago. It was quite cool and interesting. I learned so many things there. My current routine is busy. I wake up before 7 a.m. to work and I work until 5 p.m. After, I go to the gym and I work out about 2 hours. And in the night, I have to study for the final tests of college. I adore sports so much. I can play soccer well, but I'm not able to play football. But I watch on TV the NFL. It's amazing, an incredible strategic game. I'm capable of driving very well, but I can't ride a horse. I have fear of falling in the ground. For more information about me, you can contact or add me on Facebook, searching by Lucas Avelino. Bye bye!